Welcome to Bars Beats, where we do some of the maddest reviews around, sickest and baddest.
Oh yeah.
Now today, in the program, I'll be doing a review on this song called Dip by none other than Teejay featuring Tommy Lee Sparta. Now, everybody's supposed to know Teejay by now. Trust me, if you don't know Teejay, you know the panda hurt ya. Anyway, Teejay does this song called Drift. How many burn up in ya? Yeah, man. And Tommy Lee done a lot of songs. He was a member of the Gaza Empire one time, with Vybz Kartel, and he have done some notable songs. The one that I can call often is the one we call SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah, but he's done a lot of them bad songs there still. So original Mobile link up them, you know, St. James, Jamaica, link up. Anyway, I'm going on the song still. And if you're new to the channel, just remember, subscribe this Zane. And if you want the latest videos when them drop, click the bell. Click the bell. Anyway, now wasting no time, make we jump in it.
Let me stay up on top of my game. Don't no stay up on top of my name. Put me in the all of fame. You know, sister, me a dance like so when you do dance, everybody up the try. Got that goes in your man, you're too ready, guy. And in the air, put them up in the sky. Dip in my waist, everybody up the dip. Some do it, give me dip. Some do it.
Hold on. You can't make that song run too much without having to cut it. And people, we have to work with me today. Now the beat done by this guy called Panda. Yeah, because his name called up in the first part. And Panda was the guy with the drift beat. And I sort of come to know when Panda do beats, them sort of have some unique sounds to them. Real talk. Now, Teejay, this song is following up after Drift, right? And trust me, it carry the same momentum. You have some artists where them do a big song, it's like they can't follow up. No, this song it look like it a follow up, and it look like it might take that momentum there, take the baton. Me really and truly not sure it gonna do as big as Drift, because no Drift not done Drift yet, you know. Drift had the sound totally Drift now. You see it? So it a go and Drift. Now that song a follow up now and a running at the same momentum. So me could take in some more now.
Bars Beats.
Some do it, give me dip. Some do it, fuck it up, dip. Run it up, dip. Up in nightclub, in your bunny top, dip. Tell us I'm sweet like honeycup, but if you dip in my waist, every man and every girl I figure. Some skis.
Pull up. All right, hear what now? Me hear Teejay say something in the song, so people might know understand the culture, and that's why me there to decode the thing. All right, him say, God I go sing you because you're too ready. Teejay kind of, what kind of, anyway, ready in Jamaican term is equivalent to people being covetous. I will say bad mind, grudgeful. Yes, that is what ready means. So let me go some further in the songs. Let's find some more words to say. Right.
Some skis, fuck it up, dip. Run it up, dip. Up in nightclub, we are run it up, dip. Tell us I'm sweet like run it up, dip. Badness large, chip charge. This which part? I'm in a care I walk which grass. I will feel long blue, mama make it sweet fast.
Alright, Tommy Lee, you're jumping there with your style. Alright, so that's Tommy Lee, theme portion this and all. Alright, so Tommy Lee mentioned the broom and sweep something on it. I mean, I want to go back too far, but him say the broom in Jamaican terms again, the world we talk about broom, we're talking about the G-U-N, right? Most likely the long ones.
Bang!
Okay? That him attack. So the song catchy now still, and when it done, me gonna give a full take of what me think about it. So you want going nice.
Bars Beats.
Now I see a Gucci pimpin' in the shots. None of my killer than I shop at Walmart. So when we are breath, when they do the half floss. Had it talk. Can I see friends for real? What's what of them? Dip. Can I see UTC? What you don't do? Fuck it up. Dip. Run it up. Dip. All of me gal, them a be a bad bitch. So pretty damn, them a so pretty damn beat. Can I say we style them tough concrete? Dip. Some skis, some skis, some skis, some dip. Some smooth, some smooth, some.
Alright, so let me cut a little piece again out of the song. So here what now? If you realize the song, it have a dance to it. Now this dance, it was done by Gabidan.
Oh yeah.
Gabidan was the one who built the drift dance as well. He's a big artist. He's an artist and he's a dancer. He's always around like Capleton. As a Capleton bring him. See, he have foot play and everything there. Him sort it out that way there. So, that's right there. Go further.
Fuck it out, rough it up. Up in nightclub, we a turn it up. Tell us I'm a sweet night when you come. I summon, dip. Some skis, some dip. Some smooth, fuck it up, dip. Money up, dip. Up in nightclub, we a turn it up, dip. Tell us I'm a sweet, we a honey cup. And if me dipping on my waist, if me dipping on my waist, so no, dip. Some skis, some.
Alright, I just most of the melodies I got play right there. So the song, trust me. My question now. First of all, as I say, it's done by Tommy Lee and Teejay. Now Teejay originally wasn't known for me classify this song as a feel-good song. Right? So Teejay wasn't really known for the feel-good songs. And when we talk about feel-good songs, we're talking about dancing songs. And we can use some other person as reference to make you understand what I'm talking about. So feel-good song, we're going to a man like Elephant Man. The man in deal with the violence, he might deal with the songs, dance and keep yourself active and so forth. And the next one to that is Ding Dong. I saw them man do them song, feel good. So Teejay try a piece right there and it worked with the drift and him bounce it back with the dip and it a work. So you want feel good songs around the place all the way. Alright? And Tommy Lee and the other and now is not really known for no feel good song. And the one feel good song we may know of fan that he did was the one with SpongeBob SquarePants. I can't remember the words right now, but SpongeBob SquarePants, and he did that song because there were a lot of complaints from his fans talking about he sings too much gothic type of music. So he did that one to calm the thing down, shows the versatility of the man. So he find himself in this feel good song here and it work. Because I tell you, it don't have a lot of metaphor and similes and all sort of figure of speech, but the song catchy, and at that some of these artists understand say where the song's catchy that people are work with. Them don't even know the lyrics, they don't just know they can find two lines to say outside. And all me know that the song really and truly a dip. dip up in the club and mess it up. Dip straight. So I saw the song I say. But you what now overall that song I get fire. The highest hottest temperature known to man. That song I get it. Straight Teejay and Tommy, you know do it. So you want now people, me want to know where you not think about dip. Zane, so dip on the comments down in the comment section and make me wagwa. So me I bounce out of here. And this is Duke once more from Bars Beats. Saying what? Have that.